So today we're going to be doing the Hematocrit total protein test. As you see, we first grab the Hematocrit tubes. Now you grab the blood and make sure that it has a purple top because that means it has an anticoagulant in it. And you want the blood to at least fill up 75% of the Hematocrit tube. Once you have the Hematocrit tube filled with the blood, you're going to take the tube and put some clay into the tube. Make sure to pack the clay into the tube enough because when you start to spin it down, it might make the blood spin out if it's not packed tightly. Now we go to the centrifuge and we put the Hematocrit tubes in it. Make sure that they're balanced by putting them across from each other. And the clay side has to be the side that is pointing out. Now we close the centrifuge and we're going to set it for 6 minutes on high. Now that the 6 minutes are up, we are going to grab the tubes and see how the blood is separated from the plasma. The plasma is the clear liquid on top and the bottom is the blood separated from it. Now, using the Hematocrit scale, we're going to measure the packed cell volume. The way you measure packed cell volume is you look at the clay and then you measure where the clay and the blood meet and you line it up at the bottom. Then you look at where the plasma goes all the way to the top and match it to the top line. Once you line those up, you look at where the blood and the plasma meet to see the total packed cell volume. Now for the refractometer. You're going to take the tube and split it in half so you get the plasma by itself. You're going to take the part with the plasma and you're going to have to blow through it to get the plasma to go onto the refractometer. Now you put the plasma onto the refractometer and close the lid. You look up into the light and you see where the blue and white meet. You look all the way to the left and that is the total amount of protein. Now you clean the refractometer.